The earbud contains laser-engraved leather texture and has ergonomic design blended with metal elements, which maintains balance between elegance and relaxation. The weight of each earbud is only 0.14 ounces, and there are 3 different sizes. They are made of soft silicone, which come up with a perfect wearing experience and stays comfortable whole day without protruding even for small ears. The battery is durable, and within about 1 to 2 hours the earbuds and the charging case can be refilled with USB-C charge. With 8 hours per charge of listening time and another 2.8 recharges can boost up your enjoyment up to 30 hours by the charging case. It can be used for several purposes daily and weekly for studying, commuting, workout, leisure hours, etc. Note: not active noise-canceling earbuds and not support wireless charge. The earbud to let you enjoy the immersive beating notes and has built-in 6mm dynamic driver, which presents strong bass, crisp treble, and clear vocals. The finely tuned volume range accomplishes various needs for loud and quiet. To establish a reliable connection, it has Bluetooth 5.1, which helps to boost the sound to be more pleasurable for weekly workout. To bring down the wind noise and make communication clear and trouble-free, the earbud is furnished with dust-proof metal mesh on the mic. With no displeasure, one can fluently control the volume adjustment, song switch, phone calls, and voice assistant with the help of sensitive on-ear touch control. The earbuds pair straight away right once it is out of the charging case, allowing non-stop connection between 2 different modes, single and twin mode. With these, a person can use one earbud only or both together easily. To maintain your healthy lifestyle, you can have these SoundPEATS Free2 classic earbuds, which is ultra lightweight, and its IPX5 rated features, which make it good for your well-being. And don't forget to check Amazon Prime deals for all of these headphones. They have a great deal on them right now. Price may change in the future.